Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Singh. I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today I'm going to talk on the topic flying drone laws in India. A drone is technically an unnamed aircraft. They are more formally known as unnamed aerial vehicles. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously through software controlled flight plans in their embedded systems. It works with onboard sensors and GPS. In recent past, drones were most often associated with the military, where they were used initially for anti-aircraft target practice, intelligence gathering, and then more controversially as weapon platforms. Drones are now also used in a wide range of civilian roles, ranging from search and rescue, surveillance, traffic monitoring, weather monitoring, and firefighting, to personal drones and business drones based photography as well as videography, agriculture. Nowadays, it is also used for delivery purposes. So, there are different categories of drone, and it requires certain permissions from the government to fly it. Uh, the first category of drone is nano drones. These drones weight less than or equal to 250 grams, and no permit or license is required to fly such drones. Second category of drone is micro and small drones. Micro drones weighs more than 2 kg but less than more than 250 grams but less than 2 kg, and small drones weighs more than 2 kg but less than 25 kgs. To fly a micro or small drone, whether for a commercial or recreational purpose, you need the UAS operator permit, which is UAOP 1. This permit mandates that the pilot follows the standard operating procedure accepted by the Directorate General of Civil Association Aviation. The operating area of the drone must not exceed the visual line of sight, and the drone should not be carrying any dangerous goods in it. Lastly, drones and large drones. Drones that weigh more than 25 kg but less than 150 kg comes under the category of medium drone, and the drones that more than weighs more than 150 kg comes under the category of large drones. You need the US operator permit 2 to operate these drones. All tasks should be led as per the operations manual arranged by the approved US administrator and endorsed by the DGCA. You will likely um, require a safety management system setup and take earlier leeway from air traffic and defense control. And also in this clarification, carriage of risky merchandise, BVLO's task, and robot convenience are permitted, subject to freedom by the DGCA. Coming to the general rules for flying a drone in India, all drones are expected. All drones expect those in the nano category must be registered and issued a unique identification number. A permit is required for commercial drone operation, except for those in the nano category flown below 50 feet and those in the micro category flown below 200 feet. Drone pilots must maintain a direct visual line of sight at all the times while flying. Drones cannot be flown more than 400 feet vertically from the ground. Drones cannot be flown in areas specified as no-fly zones, while include areas near airports, international borders, areas near Vijay Chowk in Delhi, state secretariat complex in state capitals, strategic locations, and military installations. The permission to fly in controlled airspace can be obtained by filing a flight plan and obtaining a unique air defense clearance. There are certain exceptions to the permit. The central government can exempt any ministry, department, or government affiliated agency at both the central and state level from the requirements of a drone operator permit if it is in the national interest or helps to uphold the security of the country. Drone. There are certain restrictions to fly a drone in India. No micro drone shall be fly beyond a height of 60 meters above ground level or maximum speed of 25 meters per second. No small drone uh, shall fly beyond a height of 120 meter or a maximum speed of 25 meter per second. Medium or large drones shall fly in accordance with the conditions specified in operator permit issued by the DGCA. Prohibited areas strictly off limits, while for restricted areas prior permissions from the DGCA is required. To fly a drone, the pilot has to have a license. There are two types of license. Student pilot license and remote pilot license. The student remote pilot license are issued for a fee by an authorized training organization. A student license remains valid for a maximum period of 5 years and can be renewed for additional period of 2 years. And the remote pilot license, these are issued for a fee by the DGCA, subject to the submission of certificate of training and a skill test report from the authorized training organization. A remote pilot license is valid for 10 years and can be renewed for another 10 years with each renewal application. There are certain criterias to apply for a drone pilot license. First is the minimum qualification of the pilot. You should have The pilot should have passed class 10 or its equivalent examination from a recognized board, and should clear a medical examination as specified by the DGCA. You should also be able to clear a background check conducted by the concerned government agency for the verification of your character and antecedents. The age criteria is the minimum age to apply for both the student and remote pilot license is 18 years. The maximum age to at which you can exercise the privilege of a remote pilot license for commercial activities is 65 years. There are certain penalties for illegal operation of drones in India. Except non-category drones, any individual who operates a drone without a valid license or permit will attract a fine of rupees 25,000. Drone flying without third-party insurance will be subjected to a fine of rupees 10,000. Flying over no operation zones, the pilot will be liable for a fine of rupees 50,000. Thank you.